For the posterior extension and activation, what we're going to do is really simple. We're going to pull the band to us and then drive up and out into a Y position with the thumbs back. Now with the loop band, you're not going to want to go real heavy because this is pretty hard. You're going to hold like so. I'm going to pull it to my chest so my shoulder blades are back. And then I'm going to try to keep my shoulder blades back with my butt tucked and my abdomen tight. And I'm going to try to extend back and down. I don't want to dump into my lower back, but I will lean back because I have to counteract this motion. Otherwise, I'll get shot forward. So there's going to be some pressure going through the front of the feet. I'm going to be holding the band, thumbs backward. I'm going to pull my shoulder blades back, drive up, and extend out. So I'm pulling apart and backward at the same time, just like so. And when this happens, you're going to feel that everything between your shoulder blades all the way down to your glutes has to fire so that you can keep your body straight. If you're not doing that, chances are what's going to happen is you're going to arch in your back instead of tucking the pelvis and counteracting by leaning in a straight position. So you're going to want to go real light on this band. This is a very challenging exercise. So make sure that you're not overdoing the resistance.